What's going on, people? Nick Sean coming at you. Coming to you live from my office. Yeah, anyway, so the SEC is delayed whether or not Bitcoin and other cryptos are going to be classified as ETFs. So we did see in this down drop here, and then some shit happened where things were looking good, and then it was like boom, and then it kind of fucking came back. I personally still think Bitcoin's got a little bit lower to go, but this is pretty interesting. We've broken all the recent highs right here with this little spike on this news today. Who the fuck knows if it was the news? It's not really that big of a deal. So, I mean, it's not like something that's going to be... I don't really even look at news to begin with, so who gives a fuck what the fucking news is? This Bitcoin today. As far as some other trades, the only trade I had today was on Tesla. I got some Teslarati over here. I bought right here. And right there, from the support zone, price pushed up about 2%, which, if you do the math, $100,000 worth of Tesla increasing in value 2%. The stock went up like 2%. It's about a $2,000 profit. So that's pretty cool. Everything else is just kind of like doing the same old shit. I missed 2 decent trades. I was out walking around. I have a habit this week of missing really good trades. I've probably left close to $15,000 on the table just from the fucking trades I've missed this week. Kind of frustrating, but still a good week of profit so far. I missed this trade here. GPAD came to the resistance zone. It hit the zone. It started to bounce. This could have been a great trade just to sell off the resistance, but missed that. Even more annoying was that this one on GBP/USD, I did not take this trade. I just put the thing in there to see how it would have been structured. But I got the alert. I just came back to my office too late from my walk with my dog. Then I had a call with a client that I did after the 2-hour-long Zoom session I did with clients this morning. That's right, you boys feeling like shit with the sinus infection, bronchitis, and an upper respiratory infection. But I still did a live session this morning. I was still yelling and cursing at clients in the close friends group. It was great. So much fun. Back to my usual self. Almost. Anyway, so this was another sell-off resistance. It's kind of crazy. Like, this happened. It broke. It retested right here. This happened at like 4 a.m. though, 4:30. I'm going to sleep at 4:30, especially because I'm feeling like shit. Came back to the zone. There could have been a trade here. Not once, but twice even. If we go to the lower time frames, you can see it came up here and hit the zone. Any sells up in here would have been great. That would have been a nice trade. And even if though I missed it, had I reset the alert, it came back into the zone, I could have sold again. And then it would have, that move down there alone would have been like a decent profit. So, kind of bum. I did get myself into a GJ trade. We took buys off the GJ support here this morning. GJ had the nice bounce off the zone. Had a nice big bouncy right here. There was also a NZD CAD trade that we took. This was an NZD CAD trade, which also had a nice bouncy. If we kind of draw the zone up like that, you see what price got here to the zone. We sold at this zone. And we had a nice bouncy. I barely missed my target, though. Barely missed my target. It wasn't really fun, brothers and sisters, having to watch that. And so, yeah, it was all, all for what it was. I made a little bit in FX today. Made a little bit in stocks today. I can't complain about a profitable day, making a couple $1,000s. We're on another win streak in the Mission FX Close Friends group. We're going on week number 3. So let's cross our fingers and hope we do really well here. It's been going great, but it's the same old shit over and over and over. Support and resistance trading with some basic price action, discernment, and discretion. I've been doing this shit almost 8 years. In March of next year, it's going to be 8 years. I've been doing the same shit. I was screaming from the mountaintops with my bald head shining in everyone's faces to get people to keep things simple and control risk. So if you just want to continue keeping things complicated, that's fine. There's nothing wrong with that. You can still trade profitably with a really complicated, rigid, black and white, institutional order block, smart money concept, bank manipulation, liquidity, fair value gap distribution, bullish Wagyu stick candlestick pattern. That's fine. I'm not here to hate on that. I'm just saying price is fucking going up or down, regardless of what your reasons are, how complicated your analysis is. You're going to do all this shit. You're still going to have to decide whether or not you want to buy, sell, or do nothing. And then price is just simply going to go up or down. That's why this is me personally. I just like to keep things simple and control risk. It works for me. If you think that will work for you, you should join your ass in the close friends group so that your ass can get yelled at by my ass every day in the live sessions. I'm just going to yell at you until you start trading very simply and until you learn to control risk. That way you can let your intuition build up. You can learn, kind of like get a feel for the markets, kind of get a little connection, like a telepathic relationship to be able to start deciding, hey, does this look like a good trade? Does that look like a good trade? And you'll be able to get instant feedback from me because you can ask me a question anytime you want in the close friends group. It's a fucking chat dedicated to just asking you questions. It's called Ask Nick Anything. You can legit ask me anything. I've got some really weird questions in there from time to time. But you, my friend, could ask me whatever the fuck you want. You could say, Nick, why are you wearing a maroon shirt? And if I have some time, I'll answer that. But, mostly trading questions. And then, if you don't want to ask your question in the chat, you can ask it on a live session. We do live Zoom group Q&A sessions. Assuming I'm not dead or really sick, we do them every weekday at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time. And we hop on the charts. We all kind of like bullshit around. We look at charts. I call most of my trades live while I'm on those sessions. It's great. It kind of gives everyone a way to see everything happen live in real time. I believe that, any guru worth their weight in gold should be able to trade live profitably over an extended period of time and show everything. All the wins, losses, ups and downs, the roller coaster fucking ride of back and forth of trading. That's what I do. I've been trading live since I started the free Telegram channel 5.5 years ago in the summer of 2018. I've been sharing all my fucking trades, all my analysis, bunch of bullshit live for free in the Telegram channel for over 5 years. So if you want to join, you want to learn a little bit closer, get a little closer work for me, you should join the close friends group. The link is, you'll figure it out somewhere up above. I will see you children later. I had a great trading day today. I'm hopefully going to have a great trading day tomorrow. I'm going to get some fucking water because I can barely fucking breathe right now. And I hope that you guys have an amazing rest of the day. So I will see you kids at a later time. Cheers, my friends. Nick Sean out. I'll see you guys later.